Crypto mining usually refers to the process of creating or minting new coins. However, there is more than what meets the eye, because mining also involves validating transactions on the blockchain network and then adding them to the underlying ledger. Mining is also mainly responsible for preventing double spending of cryptocurrencies on a distributed network. New coins that are generated throughout this process are the reward for miners to secure the network from double spending. In decentralized networks, this mining process is absolutely crucial to validate transactions and secure the network. For Bitcoin, a mining consensus protocol called Proof of Work secures the network from any external attacks. In comparison, miners of precious metals such as gold and silver use heavy machinery to unearth the precious assets. Crypto miners use computational power to solve complex mathematical equations in the form of cryptogenic hashes. The first miner to crack the code gets to add a new block to the blockchain and receives the reward in form of newly minted bitcoins. Every 4 years, the reward for mining new blocks is cut in half. Over time, as miners deploy more and more advanced computers to solve these equations, the difficulty of the network increases. At the same time, competition amongst miners rises, increasing the scarcity of Bitcoin as a result. In 2010, it was still possible to mine Bitcoin on a normal desktop PC, whereas in 2022, companies spend millions of USD to buy and run specialized hardware to mine Bitcoin. This competition is thought to be one of the reasons why the Bitcoin price rose from just under 1 USD cent in the beginning of 2010 to over 40,000 USD in 2022.